Hi, I'm Deborah Fowler, and I'm going to go over how to install Python. I'm going to click to Python and go to the Python downloads. And in here, there are different versions that you can install. We're going to install the latest release, 3.13.1. Click on that, and you can see there's different descriptions of what has been released. And you can go down to here, and you'll see a Windows installer, 64-bit, recommended. I'm on Windows. Click on that. It says Save File. I'm going to save the file into a directory where I have a bunch of Python files saved. Hit Save. And then once that's complete, I'm going to bring that up and grab this, double-click, and install now. I'm also going to add use admin privileges and add Python exec to path. Hit Install now. It takes a few seconds. And we'll close. And now to test this, there's a couple of things that we can do. We can just simply bring up idle, which you can see right there, which is an easy way to test. We can say print hello. And you can see that we are now in a shell. We could also open up a window and say new file, and this would be savable. We would save that file into a, let's say, the desktop, and I'm going to call this kermit.py, and then I'm going to run it, and we get much the same thing. The difference is that I can test it also on command line, which I'll show you in a moment. Let's do that. In here, I am on my command line, and I'm going to cd into the desktop. And if I do a dir, it'll list my files, and you can see that kermit.py is right there. If I run python kermit.py, there's my hello. Now, there's a couple of things also you can check. You can do py minus version, and that will tell you what version you currently are running. Since the version that I'm running right now is first on the path, that will be the version that it chooses. I could also type python ---- version, which will do much the same thing. If you type py -o, you can see, or 0, you can see the different versions that I actually have installed on my machine. So you can see 3.13 and then a number of others. You can also echo your path just to see where it's listed. And if you look through this, you'll see that the Python scripts and Python 3.13 are first in the list, and later on down here, you'll see other versions as well. If that's not in order, you might have to edit your environment variables, in which case I have another video for that. One other thing we're going to do while we're here, since we will be using Python with Turtle, is we're going to test that. We'll import the Turtle library, and then we'll say turtle.forward 100, and you can see it opens up a Tkinter window and draws a line 100 units. Okay, so congratulations, you've successfully installed Python. Thank you for watching.